Welcome to another video of GK. In this video, we will be presenting 50 important questions which will help you to brush up your basic GK. Please watch till the end. Subscribe and support the channel. Which gas is most prominent in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. 78% of Earth's atmosphere is filled with nitrogen. Which gas is most prominent in Mars' atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. 95.32% of Mars' atmosphere is made of carbon dioxide. What is the process of conversion from vapor or gas to a liquid? Condensation. Condensation is the change of the physical state of matter from the gas phase into liquid phase. This is actually the reverse of vaporization. What is freezing point of a liquid? The temperature at which a liquid becomes solid is called its freezing point. For example, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. What are the 7 visible colors in a rainbow? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. What is the instrument to measure the electric current? A meter. What is the common unit of electric current? Ampere. 1 ampere is defined as the flow of electric charge across a surface at the rate of 1 coulomb per second. Which direction a magnetic compass needle show? North-south. A compass needle points to north because the north pole of the magnet inside it is attracted to the south pole of the Earth's built-in magnet. What is the name of the best known female specimen of the human ancestor? Lucy. Lucy belongs to the human ancestor species Australopithecus afarensis. The fossil of Lucy was discovered from Ethiopia in 1974. Who is the author of epic Greek poems Iliad and Odyssey? Homer. When was the first Olympics held? 776 BC. When and where was the first modern Olympics held? 1896 in Athens. When was swimming introduced in Olympics? 1896 in Athens. However, this was only for men. Women were first allowed to swim in the Stockholm Olympics in 1912. Which is the longest man-made structure in the world? The Great Wall of China. Total length is measured to be 21,196 kilometers. Which were the largest flying animal ever to have lived on Earth? Pterosaurs. What are vertebrates? A vertebrate is an organism that has a backbone and a skeleton. The major classes of vertebrates are fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Which is the first vertebrate to inhabit the Earth? Jawless fish. What are the 2 egg-laying mammals left on Earth near to extinction? Number 1, the duck-billed platypus. Number 2, echidna. What is paleontology? The study of life forms that existed in previous geologic periods with the help of their fossils. Which was the first artificial satellite launched in space? Sputnik 1, launched by Russia in 1957. Which is the biggest ocean in the world? The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of the world oceans. It covers approximately 63 million square miles and contains more than half of the free waters on Earth, which is the largest and most powerful rockets ever sent to space. Saturn V sent by NASA. The Saturn V was built by NASA to send people to the moon during the Apollo program in 1960s and 1970s. It was taller than the Statue of Liberty. Which is the longest operating telescope in space designed to be maintained by astronauts? Hubble Space Telescope. It is a space telescope that was launched into Earth's orbit in 1990 and still in operation. It is being maintained by astronauts from NASA on different servicing missions. The lifetime for Hubble telescope is expected for another 10 years. Who discovered the planet Uranus and in which year? William Herschel in 1791. How many moons the planet Uranus have? 27. Who was the first woman to go into space? Valentina Tereshkova in 1963. Which was the space shuttle to land humans on the moon for the first time? Apollo 11. Apollo 11 was landed in moon on July 20, 1969. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Who were the three astronauts aboard on Apollo 11? Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins. What is the name of battery-powered automobile designed to drive on Moon's surface? Lunar Roving Vehicle, popularly known as moon buggies. Which is the first human-made object to touch the Moon's surface? Luna 2 of Soviet Union. Luna 2 was landed on Moon on September 13, 1959. Who first drove an LRV on Moon's surface? David Scott and James Irwin. They were the astronauts in Apollo 15. Which is the largest asteroid orbiting the Sun? Ceres. What is the unit used to express the astronomical distances? Light year. A light year is the distance light travels in one Earth year. It is approximately equal to 9.46 trillion kilometers. How many planets are there in the solar system? 8. What are the 8 planets in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Which planet is closest to Sun? Mercury. Which is the farthest planet from Sun? Neptune. Which planet is downgraded and expelled from solar system after identifying as a dwarf planet? Pluto. Since 2006, Pluto has been removed from the list of planets in solar system. As per International Astronomical Union, Pluto lacks some important criteria to be considered as a planet. It is marked as a dwarf planet. Which planet has the biggest moon in our solar system? Jupiter. Which planet in our solar system orbits the Sun the fastest? Mercury. Mercury takes only 88 days to orbit the Sun once, whereas Earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution around Sun. Which planet is the hottest in our solar system? Venus. Venus is the hottest and second closest planet to Sun. Its surface temperature is almost an average of 465 degrees Celsius. What is the name of the galaxy our solar system exists? Milky Way. Who was the first person to land on space? Yuri Gagarin. He landed on space on 12th April 1961. What is the name for an exploding star? Supernova. What is the instrument to measure the density of a liquid? Hydrometer. Which is the deepest point of the ocean in the world? The Challenger Deep in the Pacific Ocean. Which is the highest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls, Venezuela. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. 6,695 kilometers is the total length of this river. Which is the largest sea in the world? Mediterranean Sea. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos.